The shoulder is stitched and finished. In this case, the seam is pinked. This is center back, the neckline, and center front. The facing is cut, and a piece of organza on the same lines. Stitch the organza to the facing along the outside edge. Clip and trim. Baste the two layers together. Use the stitching lines on the fabric as your guide. Start stitching exactly at center front, over to the edge, and down the overlap. Clip at center front, almost to your stitching line. Roll the seam line just to the inside when pressing. Pull the seam allowance from the center front around the neckline out and flatline all the layers together. Double check on a dress form to make sure that the facing is lying flat.